Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your device so nothing blocks location changes. Update Tinder and sign in, then pick your method: Passport if you want an official, simple change, or a GPS spoofing app if you prefer a free workaround. Make sure location services are enabled and Tinder has foreground and background permission, close competing apps that lock GPS. Once done, keep your phone nearby, because the next step is to open Tinder settings and either enable Passport or install, and configure the mock location tool. Now you execute the change. If you paid for Passport, open Tinder, tap Settings, then Discovery and Location, type the city, pick it, and Tinder updates immediately. If spoofing, enable developer options on Android, allow mock locations, then select your spoof app and set coordinates. Use the map pin for accuracy. iPhone spoofing needs a desktop tool and is more complex. Make sure you pick a realistic spot. Tinder uses GPS and heuristics, so city centers and populated areas return better results. Finish by confirming Tinder shows the new city. Pull to refresh, browse, and check distances on profiles. When you want to return, disable the mock location app or change Passport back to your real location and restart Tinder. If the change doesn't stick, first toggle location permission off and on, clear the app cache, and reboot your phone. This fixes most stale GPS issues. If problems persist, sign out and back in, and double-check no other app is forcing your phone's GPS to a different place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.